Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you how I've created this gorgeous honeycomb mirror as well as revamped these old crystal hearts that I created last year. So I'm starting off with 6 of these Hexagon mirrors from Dollar Tree. Now if you have 7 that would be better. I'm going to be removing the backing from these pieces and the mirror. I'm going to take my frames out and I'm going to spray paint them gold with the gold Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint. So because I didn't have a 7th mirror, I'll be using this 12-inch mirror. I'm going to be gluing one of these hanging hooks to the back using strong adhesive, and I'm just going to use some tape to reinforce that while the glue dries. Now I took this piece of foam board and I cut the 12-inch diameter on the inside from the mirror I'll be gluing in the middle. I'm going to be using my strong adhesive and hot glue to stick that to the back of my Hexagon mirrors, using my strong adhesive as well as my hot glue just to seal everything together, and then I'll be adding my 12-inch mirror to the center. Since I didn't bring the edge of my foam board to the edge of my Hexagon mirrors, I'm going to be adding some hot glue as well as some popsicle sticks I've cut in half to the edges where each of the Hexagon mirrors meet for extra support. So I'll be adding to the inside frame of each of these mirrors some mirror tiles. I got these from Amazon. I will link them down below. So here's how the Hexagon mirror turned out, and I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Let me know down below, what are your thoughts on how this turned out? So next I'll be revamping these crystal hearts. Now I created these crystal hearts last year. Now because my gold foil has tarnished, I've gone ahead and decided to cover the outside of these hearts in some mirrored tiles. And so the edges are looking pretty rough as well. So I'll be taking this iridescent self-adhesive rhinestone sheet that I also picked up from Amazon, and I'll be using one strip just to line the edges of these hearts. Now I will have all these Amazon links in the description box below. I will also link the original video on how I created these crystal hearts, and here's how the revamp turned out, and I absolutely love the way the mirror tiles look around the hearts. So that is all for today. I want to thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. I hope that you're continuing to stay safe, and I will talk to you in the next one.